Hi, we are from Group 1E. Let me introduce my group member first. Firstly, this is me, Tosha Chen. My major is ST. Next, this is our group leaders. His name is Kevin Gujaran, majoring in AI. And lastly, this is my teammate, Adriana Glibjialing. Her major is DCN. One day, we received an unknown file and we decided to click and check what is inside the file.
Hey, what is this?
I think this is a C++ program because I saw it include the IO string library.
It is a structure question. I remember last time teacher had taught before about the structure question, but I can't remember actually what is structure question.
Okay, it's actually very simple. It's a user-defined data type that we can store multiple variables of data into one single collection.
What is prototype function? Do you know what is that?
Yes, I know. A prototype function is a declaration that tells the compiler a function name, return type, and parameter before the function is actually defined.
Oh, I know this one. I know the thing about main function, but I don't know the thing inside. Do you know what is that?
This one teacher got taught in class also. Okay, first it will call the function display rules, and then we will declare a variable, child variable called choice. And this is a very important thing in C++ programming, which is like while loop. All the commands inside the while loop will continue running unless they break down. First, I think this command will ask the user to input their choice, either C or E. So if their choice equal to E, the program will break down, and then the program will print goodbye, see you next time. Else it will start the quiz if the choice equal to C. Lastly, if the choice not equal to C or E, we will show invalid input and ask them to type again.
What is this void display rule?
Void, it doesn't return anything, and the display rule is actually their function name. I think this void display rule, it is going to show the rules for this game and give us a simple briefing about this quiz.
Okay, I think this is where the main menu for the quiz to start. First, it initialize the questions and set the price to 0. And here, using a for loop to display all the questions continuously until the I is less than the question size. Then it will display all the questions by calling the function and get the answer from getValidAnswer, and it will check whether the answer is correct or not. If the answer is correct, the price will plus 10, and if the answer is wrong, it will show the wrong answer and the price will deduct by 5. Next, it will move on to continue or exit. No matter they're correct or wrong, they will prompt you want to exit or continue. If you want to continue, you will type C, and if the decision is equal to E, it will prompt your exit with RM, your price. And then if you finish all the questions, it will prompt congratulations, you complete the quiz, and will show your total price of this game.
Okay, I know about the void display question. I think it is used to display the question for the quiz, but I don't know what is inside the bracket.
Oh, this one is called parameter. It is used when we write the parameter, so this function can accept other variable from the other function. So we can use the variable inside our display question function.
This is a function about getValidAnswer, and we will call the user to input their answer based on either they choose A, B, C or D. Otherwise, they cannot output their answer. We will call them to type again. We will call them to retype their answer.
Oh, I think this one is similar to the previous one. But this one is like ask user to continue or exit. And I think this one, it is ask us to input the C or E to continue with the continue with the next step, or the user have to input either C or E, otherwise it will show invalid input and ask user to type C or E again.
This function is used to initialize the question. First, it creates a vector called question to store all the questions in the quiz. The struct question consists of question text, options, and the answer.
After that, we found that the code is actually executable. Then, we try to follow the prompt and do the step that it asks. Type C to start the game. Okay, the memory. So my answer B. Correct, yay, I have 10.
Yeah.
I have 10 ringgit. Okay, 10 C. So what's the number? I don't know leh. Is it C? Wrong answer. I don't want to play already.
Oh, you exit with RM5.
5 ringgit only, yeah. Then the turn off.
Okay.
Turn off, you try lor.
Okay, never mind, I'll try again. I'll run the program again. Okay, I will take it seriously. How about I don't want to type C or E? K. Oh, it cannot. Okay, I will type C. What is the... I think this one is B. Yeah, correct. Continue. B again. Continue. Okay, last question.
Last question. Will you make it correct or not?
Of course. Okay, I think this one is CMB because I
Really?
borrow PTPD and you also tell me you to use CMB.
What?
Yeah, I got 100 ringgit.
Unbelievable.
Yes.
Congratulations.
I think you cheat lah. I think you
Easy.
cheat. I think you
Easy.
cheat. I think you cheat.
Okay, let's
Jalin,
Jalington.
Jalin, you try. You have to prove if giving is cheating or not. Prove it.
Now I start my quiz.
I think this one is D.
Really meh? I think
think
B
it's-
lah.
I think A.
A?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah,
you
did
try? Oh, your price is -5.
Oh,
You need to pay 5 ringgit a day.
Oh my god, I even got 5 ringgit and you... Ooh.
I don't want to play now.
Oh, then you type E to exit.
Yeah, you have to exit.
You have to pay us 5
5
ringgit.
ringgit. Ay.
GG.
Yay!
That's all from us. Group 1E, Group 4. Thank you.